Now we're going to be making a roof for the mudroom. Continuing our tutorial. Open up the project. Oh, I opened up the wrong software, so I'm going to put this on pause. There we go. Now we're using the correct software, which is Autocad Architectural 2019. We're going to open up the project browser, and we're going to load the entry level. So now we're going to start creating a roof between the building, which is right over here. We're going to be this is the mudroom right over here. Let me close all these pop-ups for now. So we'll be building the roof for this side over here. We're going to build the roof right over here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go top view, 2D wireframe, and we're going to go to our home tab, and we're going to go to the roof button right on top and go to roof. From the roof now, we're going to go set these thicknesses here. So we have our thickness is going to be 1'4", 1'4". Our edge is going to be square, which is good. We're going to have a single slope of 2'3". That's good. And our lower slope should be 10 feet, which is good. The rise, we're going to put it at 8, 13, 32. And our slope is going to be at 35 on the dot. Perfect. So now we have that set, and our run is going to be 12. So rise over run. Now we're going to go and draw our roof from the corner here. We're going to zoom into this corner. And we're going to go right above the brick, which is right over here. And we're going to click 1, click 2, click 3, click 4, right over here, like so. And like that, we have our roof placed. You want a gable roof with a gable end on the right and the left of the mudroom, because it's connected to another building on both sides. So right now, if I go look at it, and enter, if I go look at it, it looks like this, which is something we don't want. We just want to be able to have just the sides. So this is somewhat of a roof, but we're going to modify it now. So go back to the top view, 2D wireframe, and we're going to go click on the roof, and we're going to go use edit edges. Now we're going to click the roof edge right over here. Right here, click on it, select the roof edge, we did, and you're going to press enter. And now in the pop-up, we're going to put overhang is going to be 0 inches, sorry. And our slope's going to be 90 degrees. Our slope's going to be 90. Press enter, okay. And there we have a flat edge. We're going to do the same thing to the opposite side edge. So with this edge here, we're going to click on it, edit edge. We're going to click on this edge here, enter. We're going to get the pop-up. And this time, we're going to go type in the same number. So it's going to be 0, overhang, slope 90. Press OK. There we go. Now we have it's flat on both sides. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to drag the right side of the roof by 7 inches to fit properly to the wall of the joining garage. So we're going to grab it like so, and we're going to put it back 7 inches like so. And we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Grab this side here, 7 inches. There we go. So you see now it has a gap on both sides. Actually, this one, I don't think I needed that one. I should put this one back 7 inches. Just one side would have been enough. This side here. This side is actually quite perfect. Let's go check our view. There we go. Let's go to our southeast corner, and we see our roof is placed like so. The next step we're going to do is we're going to convert it. So now we're going to select the roof again, and we're going to convert it. And now we're going to change it to erase the layout, and we're going to call it standard and press OK. There we go. We're going to go back to hidden, So like so, and now you can see the roof is placed. Perfect. Now we're going to modify, sorry, in the same room, the two walls underneath, we're going to modify the roof line again. So we're going to click this wall here, and this wall here, like that. And we're going to go do modify roof line. And from there, we're going to do auto project. And select the roof we want right up here. 1, 2, enter, enter. And you see that it projected it up to the roof. Perfect. So now we have it going directly to the roof. You see it? Like so. Good. So I'll give you guys a few minutes. I'm going to pause the video. You could pause it. Alright, so now we're going to go back to our 2D display. And we're going to go back to our top view. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a closed polyline somewhere next to the building with a 1-inch width and a 10-inch height. So we're going to do a polyline. So let's do PL, polyline. And we're just going to go from here and just do it 1 inch. And go down 10 inches, across 1 inch, and close. So we have it perfectly done. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to convert this one into a profile. So it has to be a polyline. Right click, and we're going to go convert to a profile definition. We're going to make it, the reason we're doing this is because the edge of the slab and the roof slab in this software can't be assigned to the material directly. So we're going to make it looks like a rough surface. So we're going to be adding this edge here so we could put the material on later on. So we convert into a profile. Now it says insertion point. We did new. Let me just redo it again because I wasn't talking. Click on the drawing. Thank you. So we made our profile. Ready to go right click again. Convert to profile definition. We're going to make sure insertion point. We're going to use the top left corner. There we go. And we're going to make it a new one. We're going to call this 1 by 10 fascia profile. Press OK. There, that's done. Now we're going to select one of the roof edges. So let's go and rotate a bit. Grab one of the roof edges like so. And now we're going to go and use edit style and do edit roof edge styles. Or edit style and then go to roof slab edge styles. It's going to open this up. So in the style manager, you're going to make sure you make a copy of the current standard. So we're going to go here, make a copy, and right click again on top and paste it. We're going to rename it to 1 by 10, the one we just made. Fascia like this. Okay, we're going to go make sure we go to the defaults and we make sure we uncheck the overhang, the cut, and the angle. Then we're going to go to design rules and we're going to go use our fascia, which is the one over here, and we're going to go change it to the one we just built, which is we should see the one you built. So go up until you find it right there. Allow it to auto adjust and then press OK. Perfect. So now all that's left to do is go, with the roof selected still, go to edges like you see here, and you're going to go to number 1 and change it to fascia. Press OK, and now you notice it added on that side. Do the same thing to this side here. So let me show you how it looked before. Do realistic. So right now it looks like it's just a rough gray thing, but what we're doing here now, look, I'm going to click this edge here. We already did the settings, are okay. Click on edges, go to our overhang. We're going to change it, the style, the fascia, press OK. And you see it adds a extra material to our piece. See, it's like that. Perfect. So now I added a nice little trim to it. If I go back to hidden, you see it added 2 nice pieces to our end of our drawing. Let's save the drawing. Go to our top view, 2D wireframe. I like to always save in this so we know it. And we could always just delete this or move it out of the way. I'm just gonna, instead of deleting it, just in case, we'll just hide it. Just delete it. Good. Thank you so much. That's making the roof for the mudroom.